I absolutely love my orchids, and I don't want to buy new orchids all the time, so I take care of my orchids so they are constantly blooming. This one in particular, you can see right now, already has another blossom coming on, and it is constantly going. And it's kind of crazy how much it has gone off, and that is all thanks to this Crazy Keiki Cloning Paste. This stuff is insane. And if you are foolish like me, you can make it do insane things to your plant. So let me show you exactly how this works. Now on my kind of crazy orchid, I have some cloning paste right here, and I have some way down here as well. And how it works is twofold. One, you can peel off any little spot where you want it to sprout and start flowering, and then add a little bit of this cloning paste, and that will turn into a sprout. That is powerful. So I often will use it to make all these crazy sprouts, and clearly you need to think about where you're putting them, because otherwise you can get an orchid like this that has gone all over the place. On this one, I only put it in one place, so I only have one sprout line, and I ended up cutting off the other line, so it's very clean and simple. Now the other trick to it is if the plant has had any broken off pieces or any spots where there's a little bit of access to the inside of the plant, you can put a little bit of this on there, and I find that it gives the orchid so much more nutrition than fertilizing the roots that it actually makes the orchid just blossom more on all the places it already has orchids. At least that's been my experience so far. This has made my orchids go wild. Now here is the paste that you're using. This little container will last you a very long time. Now it came with a little applicator when I got it. Basically it looks like a little Q-tip, but once you use that one time, it's kind of too dirty to use again. So I just trim an end off an actual Q-tip and use that. And you can just kind of stick it in there and pull some out. You don't need much. It kind of looks like a goldeny wax, and this is what you'll rub on any openings on your orchid. Whether you peel them open to start a new sprout or you're putting it on a wounded spot, this is so powerful. I don't know what makes it so magical. I just know that it works, and I recommend it to any orchid lover. Crazy Keiki Cloning Paste is truly crazy.